So, etong mga hinanda ko for New Year's Eve. And we have those pineapple cake here in these 2 boxes. Tapos, ito mga sweets lang yan. Mga matamis. And then, ito yung glass noodle pancit with prawns and chicken. And then, ito yung ginawa kong chicken salad. Hindi ko pa hinalo masyado. Yeah, so yan ang aming salad, macaroni salad. And this is ham with orange juice, honey, and green onions, garlic, and that's it. And ito ang aming kalamansi, saging, at saka yan lang pinito ko kasi baka hindi maubos. So, this is it, pansit. Yan po ang aming kakainin mamaya. Pero pwede na silang kumain kung gusto nila. Okay, Happy New Year!